Hey guys, for those of you that are following the GT6 project, at the end of this video I've got a special segment just for you guys and gals. I got something in the mail the other day that I have been hoping would arrive, and it's finally here. Can you guess what it is? I guess you'll have to watch to the end of the video to find out. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Let's go ahead and get to work. Today is a little different than a normal day. You know, we don't always just work on the car. There's other things that I have to do. One of them is, you know, taking care of the yard and stuff like that. So when I'm not working on the car, this is kind of what goes on. That's why we do all sorts of different projects around. So what we're going to be working on today is a Husqvarna, I guess 20 horsepower tractor, and just we're going to replace the blades, and we're going to replace this housing. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, I've got all the parts together. Got my spindle, the pulley, and the tools that I'm going to need to take everything apart. And I've got getting ready to jack the lawnmower up to do the blades and to put the spindle on. That's all I need to do is put a new spindle on and change the blades. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Let's go ahead and get this done, and then we will call the day on this project because I've got other stuff that needs to be done today. Car's been taking too much of a front seat, I guess, no pun intended. So let's go ahead and get started, and thanks for coming along. Alright, so finally all that is done. So, alright guys, it's going to conclude today's video. It's just a short, brief video working on the tractor. Got it all fixed up, got the blades changed, got the new spindle put on, and I am ready to go cut some grass. But don't go away. There's a little segment coming at the end that you guys want to stick around for. So I mentioned it when we started, so just reminding you, it's coming. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, Robert here. You're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Today is Sunday, and I have a surprise. I got something in the mail today. Or yeah, actually yesterday. I wonder if you guys can read that. Yeah, you guys can read that. You know what that means, don't you? I now have in my possession the very materials I need for my car. And I've already opened it and I've looked at it. And I am very pleased with what I have received. That is, if I can get it out. But it is an official history record on the car. I am very happy with that. It shows that it was, it's got the make and model. It has the car chassis number, which is not the number that you think it is. So it wasn't the number that's on the frame. That's a totally different number. It has the engine number. It has the body number. It says it's got the specification as a left-hand drive North American export. The original color exterior was new white. The trim was new tan. The date of build was the 16th of November 1971. And the date of dispatch or shipment is the 7th of December 1971. So basically it's when the 1972s come out. You know, all that stuff ships out. You know, you shop in the fall for the new cars, like this is 2019, so all the 2020s are coming out in September. So in 1971, you know, all the 1972s were coming out in September, you know, in the fall and winter of that year. So, and it says that the exterior is new white, new tan. Of course, it didn't have a hood or a top because it's a hard top. And it was the destination, or the dealer in America, was the British Leyland Motors Incorporated, Jacksonville, Florida, USA, which goes with what I've always said, that the car is a Florida car. And it's got the key numbers, you know, the keys that were, so if I needed to, I guess if I needed to get new keys, I just give somebody those numbers and they can find the key that I want, I guess, I don't know. It tells me everything that came on it. It says it has a heater, dual circuit brakes, laminated windscreen, static seat belts. It came with Goodyear G800 white wall tires, anti-smog engine, and the vehicle was shipped from the Eastern Dock, Southampton, aboard the vessel, the Sloman Alstertor, and the signature of the archivist, which is Richard Backus. He's the guy I've been talking to there at the museum. And he was able to find the history, the record, the manufacturer's record for my car. So I was very pleased. I sent him tons of pictures and of all the equipment that it was in the car. And he was able to track down the manufacturer record through several pieces of information that I supplied to him. So I was very happy about that. It made my day when I got that in the mail the other day. So I just wanted to share that with you as a little short clip of things that we were going, because nobody's asked about it, but I had forgotten about it until it came into the mail the other day, and I was just like, oh, everybody's going to be like, yay, Rob, you did it, you found it, and you found the information. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and just another happy thing that has happened in this saga that is this car that I've been working on. So anyway, thanks for stopping by the shop to check up on us, and I'm glad we got some good news, and this was not a, I'm sorry, Mr. Henshaw, but we couldn't find anything. So gotta love the Brits. They kept excellent records on their automotive. I doubt that. Oh, we have a guest. everybody loves cats. So, you know, I got to put a cat in the video in order to, you know, come here, buddy. There's my buddy. Yeah, he's my buddy. Say, don't cats make videos cute? All cat videos are cute. And he's no exception because he's a cute kitty. Yes, he likes his chin scratched. Oh, yeah. So this ought to get 1,000 likes and should be the top of the YouTube list just because it's got a cat in it. All right, buddy. See you later. So, thanks for stopping by the shop. We continue to move along. This is kind of I'm still working in the shop, just not today or yesterday. We had some things that were going on, so continue to follow our progress, and we will continue to update you as necessary, and hopefully get, you know, the next series out fairly quickly. So, y'all have a great day, and thanks for stopping by the shop. Bye.